Welcome to part 13 of our .NET movie series. Today, we will learn how to use SQLite, a lightweight database to store and retrieve data locally in your app. Local databases allow your app to work even without internet. SQLite is widely used for small to medium data needs. Add the popular SQLite net package, set up your database file, and define your data models to get started. Define your data model with the attributes to specify primary keys and other constraints. Create or open a database file in the app's data directory and create tables for your models. Inserting data is as simple as creating an object and calling insert. Query the data with the link style syntax to get list or single records. Modify existing records using update and remove with delete. For better performance, use async database calls to keep the UI responsive. Inject your database service into pages and view models for clean architecture and easier testing. Let us run the simple CRUD app storing users locally with the data persisting across app sessions. SQLite integration enables powerful local data storage for offline and fast apps. Next, we will look at syncing local SQLite data with a remote server, handling conflicts and offline first design. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like to support the channel.